Do you have a private immigration attorney? That's the name of the firm. So you have hired or retained one of the attorneys at that firm to address any immigration issues you have, and that's any immigration issues as it relates to these two charges. Has he made them aware of these two pending charges?
So they have not advised you on how these criminal charges could affect your immigration status or your residency. And
But I'm gonna need an interpreter.
All right. Well, Max still needs to be here. But Sean, today is Tuesday, so they tell me we survived Monday. I still don't know that the issue with the zombies and why we are third, but I'm only concerned about my mom. Where is Louisiana ranked? I'm going to find the article. All right, everyone. I'm going to call the docket. Everyone, please have a seat. If you do not answer, I'm going to assume you are not here, and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. In custody, we have Melvin Owens, Jesse Heno. In custody, we have Alexander Williams, Fidel Ayala. Fidel, thank you. Rolando Gutierrez Chavez.
President of the Council, Your Honor, like to urge your trial model.
All right. Christopher Gonzalez. Juan Tehran. Brandon Sierra. Leonardo Rosales. Andy Maldonado is in custody. Martin Lee Rios. Joaquin Mendez. Okay. Carlo Madrigal Hernandez. In custody is Todd Dotson. Eric Diaz. Dennis Martinez. In custody is Luis Ramirez Rodriguez. Edgar Aguilar. Alberto Soto. Briala Butler. In custody is Esteban Ramirez, Eddie Alvarez, Chase Gordon. All right. Is there anyone who came in late or your name was not called? All right. We'll start over here on the back row. What's your name? First name? Do you know your case number or SID number? Do you know who your attorney is? All right. Just have a seat. We're going to take that matter up. Anyone else over here? Yes. What's your name? Do you know your case number or SID number? Do you know who your attorney is? All right. How old are you? All right. You're in felony court. This is a very serious matter. It's very important that you know who your attorney is. You understand? All right, just have a seat. We'll get with you. Anyone else over here? Over here. Yes. Do you know your case number or SID number? Do you know who your attorney is? Carrillo? Thank you. See, everybody, that's how it's done. She knows this is important. Bashan, I don't know if I'm being sort of biased when I say this, but women always know their business. They know who their attorney is. They know their SID number. They know everything. So guys, you need to be more like that. Okay. Anyone else? Robert Featherston knows what I'm saying is true. Yes. All right. Thank you. Why were you late? Okay. All right. Thank you. You can remove yourself from the front row. Yes. All right, everyone. We are starting up with closing arguments with the trial at 10 a.m. So all of you who have your trial setting today, rest assured you are going to trial this week. So that's not going to be a problem whatsoever. In the 187th, we are, of course, a court that tries cases. So to my left, those are the criminal trial division files. To my right, that's family violence files. As y'all know, there's an uptick in COVID, an uptick in leprosy. So just grab your file and place it on the corresponding table. Have a seat. The prosecutors will call you in the order in which they receive your file. If you have someone who is in custody, yes, they need to be called out. Let the deputy know. Where the deputies are standing, attorneys, you know that's the door where the inmates come from. Please keep that area clear so they can have a line of vision. If you choose not to do so and something were to happen, I've already given them permission to do whatever they need to do, including perhaps run over attorneys for the safety of the court. So that will be on you if that happens and they can't see. To the back here is the CLO. Could you raise your hand? That's Miss Abrams. That is her desk. Do not put your items on her desk. Do not hover around her desk. That's her office. She doesn't have any walls. Do not turn your back to her. Here is the court reporter. All of that equipment you see up there, that equipment costs $10,000. If you touch it, if you disturb it, if you damage it, you have bought it. I will come to court as a witness saying that you destroyed that equipment and you will be on the hook for $10,000. Today is Tuesday. It's not Monday. We survived, so we should all be excited about that. We're going to confer kindly with each other. We are not going to approach the court coordinator for a reset or continuance because I'm the only person who can give that to you. We are not going to approach the court until we confer with the state and confer with our clients. So everyone, let's have a beautiful Tuesday. Please confer. All right. And Kenneth Longacre is zooming in. And he has cases that, what is a 605? What is a 605?
And Lorraine Efron is the federal attorney.
All right, so why is it labeled 605? All right, because some of the criminal trial division, it doesn't have a 605 number attached to it. All right, we're going to discover the answer to that.
all the district drug cases.
All right, so I'm going to send you to breakout room. Are you available to go to a breakout room with Mr. Longacre? Is that your case or no?
I think Judge, it is Kenton Longacre. I don't know why I don't see myself. I hear you, I see you, but I don't.
I see you too, Mr. Longacre. Just give us a second. All right, so he has a deadly conduct firearm case and also a possession 4 grams. It may be 4 to 200. It got cut off.
It is.
All right, I'll send you all to breakout room number 1.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. DeLeon.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
It's always great to see you. Don't be a stranger.
Oh, I got other questions actually, but I figured we'll start with the best
Look at you.
questions.
Hey, I appreciate you starting in the 187.
Absolutely. I got 2 things this morning, Judge. One on docket. Mr. Gonzalez, we're here Thursday. I filed a motion for continuance for today.
Yes.
So, the court said they will grant the continuance, but I don't know if it's printed out in the file yet or not.
All right, if you'll let them know.
Okay, and then completely different matter, Judge, off docket. There is a nice lady who hired our firm for $200, which is a lot of money.
Yeah.
For injury to the elderly. Her daughter has been locked up for almost a year.
All right, just 1 second. And Norma, for those people who announced who think they're on the docket today, if they haven't seen their attorneys, get their attorneys here today so they can see their attorneys. Yes.
Thank you. Anyways, she's incompetent. I'm going to have her reevaluated,
Okay.
but I'm also getting off the case. I'm doing motion to withdraw, but I do want to get court appointed onto that case.
All right, because $200. Yeah, no, I understand.
Nobody else knows anything about it, and yeah, the family is just
All right, if you'll have them pull the file, and we can take that matter up today.
work on that. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. But that was nice of your firm to get on a case for $200 to help her.
We wanted more. They just didn't pay more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's it. If you say so.
All right, why do people keep going to Yellowstone and playing around with the bison?
You're so cute.
All right, is Christopher Gonzalez, he is on the docket. Did I say he was not to appear today?
Said he was not here.
Okay, I just wanted to be certain of that. Let me check the docket, because I wrote it here on the docket.
Yes.
Oh, no. Okay, I remember now, because he works. Family violence? Could I see someone from family violence? All right, Mr. DeLeon is on Christopher Gonzalez. He was recently appointed because the person had a previous attorney, and Mr. DeLeon still has matters that he needs to look into. I did excuse his client from appearing today because I told, I believe, Brittany Mitchell and Mr. DeLeon that I would grant the motion for continuance, but he needed to file a motion today.
Yes, Judge. I don't think we'll have any objection.
All right. Norma, we'll get you a reset date for trial. How long are you all expecting this trial to last? Well, Michael, what do you think?
3-day trial.
I'm sorry?
Sounds great, Judge. It's a 3-day trial.
Okay.
Wants to file the motions.
Norma, I need a jury trial setting on Christopher Gonzalez. Christopher Gonzalez, jury trial setting, 3 days. And it's family violence. 2022 CR 10364. All right, we're coming back. Yes, we're coming back on October 30th.
If you'll go to impact.
Sure.
All right, we'll see you in Impact. Well, I won't see you. Another judge will see you in Impact.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Lorraine,
Yes, Your Honor.
with regards to your client, Mr. Escobar has the breakout room number.
Okay, can we, I guess, go in the back?
You all can go either in my chambers or either in the back area.
I'll head back.
All right, thank you. I just want to let you know, I sent you and Marcus's in. Okay, I'll send it again. Okay. All right, thank you.
We call you Banks.
Dennis Brian Martinez. Your client needs to come forward. Hello.
Hello.
You're on this side. Who's the prosecutor on Dennis Brian Martinez? It's driving while intoxicated, 3rd or more. Hello.
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. So where are we on the blood discovery?
It's Brett Discovery, Judge.
Oh, I don't know why it's listed in here as blood. So where are we on that?
Judge, we were told today that a signed order by you has not been done yet. The order's been submitted, but it has not been signed by yourself. yourself.
No, I sign everything that's placed before me. So if something hasn't been signed, it's because nothing has been submitted to the court.
Okay, well, that was done back on June 26th, Judge. We filed a motion.
It's not in the file.
Okay.
All right. So defense attorneys, when you have motions, please approach the court with your motions. Don't just file them and then, oh, well, they're done.
We apologize, Judge.
No problem.
We were here, I believe you had told me the same thing, that you had signed the order. And then the state checked yesterday, and they were saying we don't have a signed order yet.
Yeah, because I don't have the order.
Okay, I apologize, Your
No
Honor.
problem.
But I will find the order, Judge, and bring it to the court's attention.
Oh, no. We're getting it done before 10 today.
Okay.
Hi, Barbara. Just give me a moment. All right. Your order has been signed.
Thanks.
So when is this going to be done?
Judge, I was told that as soon as they get that order, they can have it quickly. Again, I've been noticing it usually takes about 30 to 45 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on Dennis Martinez, I need a 30-day reset for discovery.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. And I apologize, Judge.
No problem. It's just that when a motion is filed, people are assuming that I receive it automatically. I do not.
Okay. Well, I will make note of that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
What date? All right, he's excused once he signs the reset form.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it.
And Jason, if you could have someone go to the breakout room with Barbara Paulison, and I believe Lorraine Efron is in the back chambers. And Barbara, I'm going to move you to breakout room number 2.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Annie Rivera, good morning. So you're ready for jury trial, counsel?
Yes, we're ready, Judge.
All right, so this is going to be recalled for jury trial tomorrow. We're just finishing up this murder case, and that will be finished today. And so we will recall you for tomorrow.
9 a.m.
Yes, 9 a.m. You're welcome. Norma Maldonado Rivera is coming back tomorrow dressed for trial. You'll have to ask the attorney, but I don't have it written on the file that he needs an interpreter. Melvin Owens. Good morning. Your client is in the center, sir.
Sir.
All right. So you ready for jury trial?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is going to come back tomorrow for jury trial.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions, Mr. Owens? We'll see you tomorrow for jury trial, and they'll bring you over dressed.
Mr. Owens?
And Mr. Davidson, did you just confer with the state on an offer or no? All right. Thank you. Who's here on Chase Gordon? Yes. Good morning. What's happening with this case?
Yes, Judge. With regard to Mr. Gordon, he was ordered to DDRF approximately a month ago. Vashon did update us that he did not qualify because he does have seizures. So I believe she was looking at some other avenues, and SafeP may be a viable option, Judge.
That's the only other avenue, SafeP.
And I spoke with my client about it, about the program in detail, about the requirements, and he would very much like the opportunity for the court to order him to that treatment, Judge.
All right, so we'll do SafeP. Do you have any questions? All right, we'll order SafeP then.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we excuse for this morning?
Yes.
Appreciate it.
Norma, Mr. Longacre needs to appear in court. It's too difficult to do him by Zoom and everything else. And he's no longer on Zoom. Deputy Laura, is it hot in here or is it me?
It's not.
Thank you. Thank you. Deputy Laura, I'm going to take a brief break to make sure that they have their jury charge. Could you have her come in here, please? All right, Lorraine, you also have someone on the docket. It is Joaquin Mendez. It's the person who has the federal issue.
Oh, so not on his state Kenton on
Yes.
paper, but I can tell you that his federal case pending still.
All right, do you have a date or anything?
I do have a new court date for his federal case.
All right.
Your Honor, I have conferred with the district attorney, and I'm waiting to see what Lorraine has to say about that federal date.
All right, just give us a moment. Could I see the parties on Rolando Gutierrez Chavez, please? Who is the prosecutor on this? It's an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? Hi.
Travis Banks, the state of Texas.
All right. So my understanding, you're requesting jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State, how long you expect this trial to last?
They would expect this trial to last 2 days, including jury selection.
All right. And is your client a citizen?
He is, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to recall this for tomorrow for jury trial. You need to be here at 9 a.m. We're currently in a murder trial, but that trial will be concluded today, even if we're here till 1 a.m.
If Your Honor can go for this order for a speedy trial then?
Oh, your speedy trial is happening tomorrow.
Well, would I get the order signed just for my records.
Have you tendered it to the state for review?
I've conferred with them. They don't have any objection.
All right, has it been filed?
It has been e-filed for a while now.
Okay.
The state has.
All right, let me see the motion.
Want to see the motion and the order?
Well, I'll need the order in the motion.
The motion has a second page, just a second.
All right, this is incorrect on here. It says that there will be prejudice if trial is not had on or before today. So we're not having trial today. I'm not going to sign this today. We'll be in here tomorrow for a jury trial.
Well, I have other reasons for requesting the speedy trial, Judge. That's why I asked for a hearing. If I
No,
could-
what you put in your motion is that you want the trial today. We're currently in a jury trial today, so this trial will be tomorrow. So I'm not going to sign a document stating that your client will be prejudiced if his trial is not heard before today or today, because it's not getting heard today.
Then I just would like it on the record that I urge my motion for speedy trial.
All right, we
today.
can go on the record. Court is calling 2022 CR 10113, State of Texas versus Rolando Gutierrez Chavez. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Travis Banks, the same thing.
Defense?
J.D. Garza defending Mr. Rolando Chavez.
All right, defense has filed a motion for a speedy trial. State, have you had a chance to review the trial? I mean, his motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state has had a chance to review the motion, and we have no objection other than to have the trial today would be an impossibility. But the state has no objection to the defendant having a speedy trial.
All right, defense?
Your Honor, as the court knows, my client was arrested in January of 2022 for an offense that allegedly occurred on December 30th or 31st of 2021. And he is a truck driver, or was a hazmat operator for an 18-wheeler rig. His permit was pulled because of this accusation. And so he desperately needs to get on with his life, and that's why we requested a speedy trial. I understand that the court is in trial today, and we pray that we can start tomorrow.
All right, your jury trial will be scheduled for tomorrow. Sign the reset form. We'll see you here tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Just so everyone knows, we're starting up with closing arguments at 10 a.m. Anything that's not ready, you're going to have to come back, and that's coming back before 11:45.
Coach,
Yes.
I have an NTR after Thursday on a sex case accident, Romeo and Juliet 5-year probation officer saying he can't live with his mom and bio siblings. I guess that had been done before. I have him here with his mother, but I don't know if I didn't do a mother. I was thinking of a beat page or not. Also, I want him to be able to resume. He has to, but probation says you need to.
All right, just one moment. Sorry about this. Oh, yes, I did. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Judge. All right, thank you so much. You'll need to have them pull the file.
I've got it on her desk.
Okay. All right, for Esteban Ramirez Frosto, we need an interpreter. The parties on the jury trial. Here are the proposed jury charge. And be careful with this one because the staple is off. And if you could make sure that Diana receives one. All right, Esteban Frosto Ramirez.
We need a translator for this one, Judge.
Yes.
So I'm going to approach that.
And counsel, on this one, you have an immigration attorney, correct?
Not yet, Judge, but I'm due to get one. This is one of those, and I just wanted to warn you right now that we're ready to proceed to trial.
Well,
I just need.
first of all, he needs an immigration attorney.
Sarah May appointed judge, she's been in talks. I'll talk to the, that have time to talk.
Do you have her contact
I
information?
do not, Judge. She has not reached out to me.
All right, so if you'll make sure defense counsel has her contact number, because this can't proceed without his having spoken to an immigration attorney, unless you're taking all that role.
No, Judge. I only do status changes.
All right, so who is the prosecutor on this case?
I was talking to Brittany Mitchell, Judge. It's a 701 case, but this is going to be clear dismissal. Excuse me, it's going to be dismissal of trial.
Do you have all the discovery?
To the best of my knowledge, Judge, I did file pretrial motions.
Well, last time we were here, there were outstanding discovery on some sort of voicemails.
The jail calls, Judge, and as far as I know, they still have yet to pull them.
All right, so are we ready for trial, really?
Well, my client knows what they are. They're exculpatory. He's informing what they are.
All right, everyone, lower your voices. So he's telling me that they don't have the jail calls, but his client knows what the jail calls are. So when is he getting his discovery for jail calls? Because we were last here in August for jail calls, and it's about discovery on voicemail, and he's saying the voicemail is the jail calls.
Okay, Your Honor, that's something we can get. I don't know what happened the last time. I didn't know it, but it's something that we can easily get by the end of the day.
All right, other than the jail calls, is there anything else for discovery? All right, so state is going to provide your jail calls today. The other question, state, have you tendered an offer?
We have not given it off.
All right, so an offer needs to be tendered, and that's going to be tendered today. And Ms. Ferguson, on this case, I need a reset for next week as a plea deadline date. All right, we're going to come back on September 28th. On September 28th, you need to let the court know whether or not you're accepting the offer that the state has tendered. And also by that time, you need to have talked to your immigration attorney. Is there anything else? All right, thank you. All right, and if I could have, Norma, if you can have Mr. Cox and Lorraine Efron out here, please.
We have a change of announcement. Judge.
Which case?
Andy Maldonado.
Yes.
We've reached an agreement and we're ready to sign, but I guess you're starting at 10.
Oh, we're starting at 10, but we'll get that done today.
Okay. Do you want us to come at 1 or?
Come back at 11:30.
Okay.
Okay.
And is he in custody?
He is, Judge. He's right here.
All right, so Mr. Maldonado is going to be a plea. So deputies, if you'll hold on to him.
Okay. Thanks, Judge.
Who's here on Abel Martinez? All right, we'll come with that. And Jason, I know you're doing 3 or 4 things, but do you know where Mr. Cox and Lorraine Efron are? Would you tell them to come in with their client? And Deputy Laura, if you want to put all of them on hold.
Okay, all right.
Oh, Deputy Laura is going to check on them. Even so, we're still going to move them out of the box. All right, Mr. Cox, where's your client? Where's your client?
Excuse me, Your Honor, Canton Longacre, do you want me to stay put?
All right, who's here on Carlos Madrigal Hernandez? All right, have we obtained the birth certificate?
Judge, that's what I wanted to address. They have made extraordinary efforts to get that. They have, I have a receipt from May 26th where they first tried. There's another receipt from August of this year when they've tried. They contacted the online sources that the court had found for us, and they won't be able to do it because of whatever's happening over the Health and Human Services. They did get their certified letter back. They're just being told, you gotta wait, you gotta wait, you gotta wait.
All right, did anybody call the state representative for Texas or the U.S. senator? All right, somebody called Ted Cruz and asked him if we can get a birth. Yeah, I'm dead serious. Somebody called one of the state representatives, and when I say state representatives, I don't mean our local or our Texas state representative. Somebody called the representative in the U.S. House or either call the state senator's, U.S. senator's office and tell them that you're trying to get your birth certificate. I guarantee you that they will put a quick rush on it. So what we're going to do, we're coming back at 11:30. Somebody step out in the hallway, call the U.S. representative for Bexar County and call the U.S. senator. And I guarantee you, when you get in touch with the person who works in the office, the first thing they're going to do, counsel, is they're going to see if you're a voter or not. If you're a voter, you know what's going to end up happening? They are going to get that birth certificate.
We'll give it a shot.
I had a similar situation with my mom with regards to her passport, and everyone said it's going to take 8 weeks or 10 weeks. So I ordered it well in advance of that 10-week time period, and it wouldn't come. And I was taking her to Paris for her birthday. And you know what I did? I called her representative from Louisiana, and they were like, oh, we're on it. And guess what? That passport was in the mailbox within 2 days. So I know if you call one of the representatives, we'll get the birth certificate. That's your last.
Do that.
So if you guys will step out in the hallway, call Senator Ted Cruz or whoever else is in the at the Senate level and at the U.S. representative, you'll get your birth certificate.
We'll give it a shot. Just thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Neves Carrillo. All right. Could I see the file on Mendez, please? And I'm sorry, Ms. Ephraim, what date did you say? All right. On Joaquin Mendez, Mr. Longacre, Ms. Ferguson, if you could set this in November, his federal trial is October, at the end of October. All right. We'll come back on November 13th.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused? Did you say November the 13th, correct?
All right. And then where is your client?
In custody.
All right. Just give us a moment.
State hospital.
We're going to bring them back. We're going to get ready to bring the jury in a little bit. Don Carlo Armstrong. All right. And you're on the other side, counsel.
I apologize.
All right. What is happening with this case?
Judge, this thing is set for Thursday for our first hearing. I'm just reviewing the first amended MTR this morning. I'm also speaking with probation. Mr. Armstrong hired me about a week or two ago. At this point in time last week, he established contact with his probation officer. There was some confusion between pretrial and probation. Probation came over to the residence.
Oh, it's family violence.
No, it's actually going to be CTD, Judge. So they're going to be handling it because of my status, or lack thereof.
Okay.
And so with regards to this case, the probation officer went over to the house, but they said he needed to find a new place. The residence of that house is his mother, who's present today, and his biological who are there. He had been allowed prior to sentencing to be able to live there. Pretrial told him he needed to stay there with his GPS. Probation said he couldn't. We are
All right, let me ask you this. Have you conferred with the state on this?
We have not, Judge, because it's set Thursday. I just wanted to be able to go back home.
Well, I mean, you'll need to confer with them over this.
You can confer, Judge.
All right, so if you all confirm.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Cox, your client is here.